Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some peri peri chicken with a Trini twist, and we're doing it my way. So this one is going to be super delicious, something a little bit different from the regular barbecue or grilling with barbecue sauce or ketchup. So let's jump straight into this one. I'm really excited to share it with you all. To start off this recipe, we're going to start by making our marinade. And to make the marinade, I have a couple of ingredients that we're going to be blending together. So shadow benny leaves or culantro leaves, fine thyme, garlic, pimento peppers, chili peppers, some baby bell peppers, and a red onion. We're going to place all of these ingredients into our food processor. And I'm going to add in some salt, some dried oregano, paprika. I'm using sweet paprika. You can use smoked paprika if you like. It will give it an additional smoky flavor. In goes tomato paste and a drizzle in of avocado oil. If you don't have avocado oil, use whatever you have on hand and process until it turns into a smooth paste. And this is what it would look like. Now we're just going to set this aside and let's bring over our chicken. So to my cleaned and washed chicken, I made some cuts on the meat itself so that marinade could get into the meat properly. We're going to season with salt and black pepper. And I always like adding the salt before you add any other ingredients, so you see how much salt goes in and you can average better this way. Now add in your marinade, and I'm making this to my family so I can use my hands. If you're making this to sell, of course you want to use your gloves, and give that a good mix. Make sure that marinade gets under the skin and into all of the cuts. You're going to cover this and allow it to marinate overnight. It's best when it's marinated overnight. You don't want to make this right away. And once it's finished marinating, the next day you're going to preheat your grill to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to be cooking these on a low heat, and we're going to do 15-minute intervals. After each 15-minute interval, I'll go in and flip the pieces over to ensure that they are cooking properly. We're going to be cooking this until we have an internal of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll cook it on an open flame until it reaches 175. So covered until 160 internal temperature, and you'll see me going in every 15 minutes and flipping the pieces of chicken over to ensure it cooks properly. I wish you guys could smell this. This was so refreshing and different from the regular barbecue. Everyone loved it, and of course you can double or triple the amount that you want to make. It's great for entertaining, and it smells so heavenly with that marinade. So as I said, 15-minute intervals. I'm going to continue, cover it and let it continue to cook. This took 45 minutes. The chicken pieces were really huge. So flip them over again, and then once it reaches that internal of 160, you're going to leave your grill open and allow it to cook and char on the outside so it gets that really crunchy, crusty exterior. And then all you have to do is, once it's at 175, that's where we like it, you take it off your grill, and then it's time to enjoy. This is best served hot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. This fried rice recipe is already on the channel. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.